Hey, good morning, I'm Anthony here. Alright, so there's like, subscribe, comment, share, all that good stuff. But there's an extra mission, make 5 delivery real quick until 11 o'clock from 6 to 11, or an extra $10. So I'll knock this out real quick for Bob. Probably made the extra $10 by 8 or 9 o'clock. And start my day after that because kids aren't here, girlfriend's not here, so I have nothing better to do. So I got notified when I woke up that there's an extra mission. So they're gonna take it real quick, make a little extra money while the kids are gone to prep for their trip to Daytona. Because why not? When you have extra time, find ways to make extra money. But like I've been saying yesterday in all my videos lately, hey, what I'm doing right now, I'm actually trading my time for money. I'm going to go earn some extra money. But the difference is, when I earn this extra money, it buys more and more cash flow producing assets that generate passive residual income. And that's perfectly fine, because everybody starts out on their journey earning linear income. They have to go out there and earn their money. That's how everybody starts. Unless you're one of the few wealthy people that got inherited a crap load of money from your founders and all that, from like the Waltons and all that stuff. But who cares? Take your earned income and use it to create passive residual income. And while you're in the process, like when I'm at Dunkin' Donuts about to pick up this order, I'll share with them. I'm gonna ask them, like, hey, if you didn't work here, would you still have money coming in? The majority of them are probably going to say no, they want it. I'm like, well, would you like to change that? And share with them a way where they can create residual passive income. That's the power of network marketing. You give other people the opportunity to create residual income for themselves, so they're not stuck working, trading their time for money for the rest of their lives. Especially this Dunkin' Donuts, because every time I go here, it's the new crew, because the old crew always quit or move on or get fired. Like, I've probably known 4 people that work at this exact same Dunkin' Donuts I'm about to pick up from, and they got let go, which I don't know. Well, I know a couple got let go because of all COVID and saying they just couldn't, when they were closed, they couldn't not work, so they quit. But why? Take control of your life, y'all. Create residual income so you can have options. If you don't have residual income, invest in cash flow producing assets. Once you have enough cash flow producing assets, generate enough residual income for yourself, you'll have choices. If you don't want to do that, build a home-based networking business. It is the best way to create unlimited sources of passive residual income. And you get the linear income from the initial referral. So it's a win-win. You refer someone to benefit from the products or services personally. You get the commission for referring them. Then as they continue to benefit from the products and services and continue to utilize the products and services, you continue to get paid for it. So why wouldn't you create residual income? Spend your time creating residual income instead of spending all your time. And I do mean all your time, because the majority of people, they go to work. It's like I talked to this lady at the airport one day at Starbucks. She said, no, I know if I come here and I work, I'm going to get paid. I'm like, yeah, one time. Why wouldn't you come here, work once, and keep getting paid? Makes way more sense. But that's how businesses do it. They create residual income. That's why all their employees are passive income for the business owner. If it's a small mom and pop shop and the owner's at the restaurant or the merchant, they don't own their lives. They're slaves to their jobs own them. So give yourself freedom, create passive residual income. If you want to learn about network marketing, hey, I got 2 vehicles for generating residual income that I personally use. I'll probably be getting into a 3rd one here shortly, because I need an international market, because both of mine, well, one of mine is strictly the United States, because it has to do with your finances, and then that one's like 20 different countries, but I want to be able to go internationally everywhere, so that wherever I go, I will have a team I can go see, or I can utilize my travels as a tax write-off. That's why now I just travel internationally to the countries where my business does business, so I can talk to people, network, share, help products and services move on there, and it's a tax write-off. Be smart, y'all. It's not how much money you make in this world, it's how much money you keep, and your biggest expense is taxes. If you're not a business owner, you don't have a lot of tax write-offs. Look at your paychecks. Most of your money goes to paying Uncle Sam and the tax man. Alright, well, I'm pulling up the Dunkins. I gotta order my coffee. That'd be great.